Welcome back, traders. This is Sandra with Trading Made Simple.
Hey, Sandy, this is Jason. I have a question regarding on the CCI indicator. What are the up and down arrows
Oh, so
indicating?
sure. So this indicator basically has up and down arrows. If you want them on, you can turn them off as well, just like you can customize this indicator to change the colors of the bands when you put it on your chart. But basically it's letting you know when the indicator momentum is above the zero line and when it's below it. So as it's crossing, it's letting you know with the arrow.
Okay,
That's all.
great.
And
Thank
then
you.
oftentimes, by the way, with this indicator, I like to explain is that when price is actually, I'm calling this price, when the CCI line is within this 100 range, so it's in this pocket here and in this pocket here, and you'll see that there's 100 here and a minus 100 here. When it's within this range, we're choppy. We don't have a lot of oomph. When we bypass it, we get a lot of oomph. And if you take a look, you can see here we were on the lower end. Here we are in within that negative 100 lane. And then as soon as we hit here, we get the next couple days some nice oomph. And so this is from just the zero line, but as you can see, we really get a nice little push when we break above that 100 line. And then as soon as we get down below it, you can see us now. In fact, I didn't even do this before, but I'm glad you mentioned it because I'm just thinking about it just now. If we just follow this, okay, I'm going to follow price action and I'm going to follow momentum. And look at how when momentum rises above the zero line, what's price doing? It's following this, isn't it? But as soon as it starts to drop back down and go below that zero line, trend changes. My favorite setups are when price goes below the 20 and momentum breaks that zero line. Boy, isn't that like extra confluence? In trading, they call it confluence. In the police world, they call it evidence. Supporting evidence, right? How many supporting pieces of evidence do I have that give me the probable cause to believe, oh, this evidence is leading me to believe more confidently that something happened? And it's the same in trading. They just call it confluence. And what I'm saying is that when you have price above 20, EMA, the one I gave you, and you have momentum above the zero line, you're getting more confluence that, oh, we're going to be moving up. Hey traders, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and tap that like and subscribe. We drop fresh trading setups and automation tips every day. And trust me, what's coming up next could level up your game. The links to learn more about us and our system is in the description below. I hope I made that understandable and simple.
You did. Thank you.
Awesome,
Appreciate it.
Jason. Thanks for being here. Jason, wait a minute, before you leave, Jason, tell me how your autopilot's going. Did you purchase
It's
autopilot?
good. It's good. I started about 3 days ago, so I'm just going through the course
Okay.
material and stuff too. So I had a ThinkorSwim account, a cash account already
Okay.
too. So just going through that process too. But yeah, really excited
Oh,
to get
great.
into it, and yeah, got the chart shared and all that stuff. But
Oh,
yeah, just
excellent. I'm
looking at
so
these
glad.
indicators and yeah, so
Yeah,
far.
a lot of people look at those videos and they're just like, oh, there's short videos, by the way. I think all in total for ThinkorSwim, it's only about 5 hours. And I
Yeah.
think about 3.5 hours are me just talking about the psychology and my first trade and what happened and how I got here. And so this system really was developed because I mentor and coach people. And we had a mentoring program for years where groups of people, it would be a group mentorship, would come to me for 3 months and we would give them all the tools and we would meet once a week. And I would just teach them about automating their trades using our weekly watch list that we get from a professional team that are chart analysis. And the results were so positive that we created basically this course where you could just take it instead of paying $3,500 for the mentorship program. You are basically just doing this on your own. And it's a really amazing how many people on their own are just using this autopilot. I get, by the way, asked this question a lot. If I just buy the autopilot, is that enough, or do I have to purchase specific coaching with you? No, this is enough. And just like Jason here, he's able to follow the videos, and he's got the ThinkorSwim platform, and he's just following it step by step. Again, if you're just watching videos all the time and you don't actually practically applicate this information, it will never be solid. You'll never learn it. It's just like thinking about wanting to change your golf swing, but never actually practicing that golf swing. It's the same thing. And the studies have been released on how people learn, and practical application, quickest mode. And that's why we don't give you 2,500 hours of education. No, we're actually having you go right into it. You could watch the video series today and start this weekend, the program that we gave you. And Jason, I look forward to your progress, and thank you for being here.
No, absolutely. Yeah, thank you.